Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by inspecting the doll to determine rooted hair versus a wig cap. Remove clothing and lay the doll on a towel. Fill a basin with warm 110 degrees F water and add 1 tablespoon of gentle conditioner. Test a small hidden section to confirm color fastness and fiber tolerance. If the hair is rooted, avoid removing the head. If it is a wig, prepare tools for safe removal. Gather a wide tooth comb, spray bottle, clips, and a hair wrap or towel. Work from the ends upward when detangling to prevent breakage and frizz. Lightly spray the hair with warm water and a small amount of conditioner before combing. Use a wide tooth comb and separate hair into 1-inch sections with clips. For heavy tangles, soak the doll's hair for 10 minutes in 1 gallon warm water with 1 tablespoon conditioner. Gently work knots free and rinse with cool water. Reshape curls using foam rollers sized to the doll. Then allow the hair to air dry completely for 6 to 8 hours. If the wig is loose, remove residues and apply a thin line of fabric glue around the cap edge. Press the wig into place and hold for 60 seconds to set the bond. For rooted hair with bald spots, carefully reroot using matching fibers and a rerooting tool, adding 3 to 5 plugs per gap. Trim stray strands by cutting vertically with sharp scissors for a blended finish. Protect finished hair with a silk scarf and store the doll away from direct sunlight and heat sources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.